Hello, dear students. Today we are going to start with our lesson 5. Our lesson number 5 is keeping our neighborhood clean. What do you mean by keeping our neighborhood clean? It is nothing but keeping our surroundings clean. It is nothing but keeping our surroundings clean. So, dear students, why should we keep our surroundings clean? Let me explain you with a simple example. There was a boy named Ramesh. He is 8 years old. In his school, there was a parent-teacher meeting. He took his mother and went to school. Do you know what did the principal complain? He complained that Ramesh does not go to school often and he does not write his homework regularly. He does not complete his homework. But Ramesh's mother knows why he is not going to school and why does he not complete the homework. Because he stay in slum area and there is not at all hygienic over there because there are dirty things around him. The surrounding is not at all clean around him. It is very stinky. It is very dirty. So he falls sick all the time because he stays in that area. So that is why he was feeling sick. Dear students, if we drop any kind of unwanted things on the road or anywhere else, the others might fall sick. Even the animals might fall sick. So, you should not throw any waste on the road. You should throw the waste inside the dustbin. You should not use plastic covers anytime because plastic kills humanity. Okay? It kills human. Okay? So we should not use plastics. Okay? So dear students, let us learn this lesson in detail. How to keep our surroundings clean. So dear students, there was a girl who is going to her aunt's place. She was inside the car. There she noticed 4 dustbins and she thinks, why were there 4 dustbins instead of 1? Dear students, do you know why there are 4 dustbins in different color and not 1 dustbin? Because the blue dustbin symbolizes the plastic waste, green dustbin symbolizes the glass waste, and red dustbin symbolizes metal waste, and yellow dustbin symbolizes paper waste. So we have to keep each waste in different dustbins so that it is very easy to reuse, recycle. Every day we throw away the things which we don't need anymore. Things that are no longer useful to us is known as waste. What is waste? Things that are no longer useful to us are called as waste. What are the unwanted things you see around you? The waste includes papers, chocolate wrappers, chalk paste powder, pencil sharpenings, fruit peeling, food that is left over, and so on. In the same way, waste is generated at three different places, and the three types are solid waste, liquid waste, and gaseous waste. These are the three different types of waste. We will discuss these in detail in our next session. I hope you all have understood what we learned today. Thank you, class. Enjoy.